Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a glance of the service you will get from this gig. This is going to be your productivity boost and your tedious workload will be reduced greatly, so stay tuned. Let's say you have to send email of a specific Excel file or Excel worksheet to a number of recipients every day. I can help you automate that task easily. This is just an example of so many possibilities. You can customize the whole thing as per your project requirements. Now we are going to have a brief overview of how the whole system works. For an example, you can see an Excel file open on the right side of the window, and on the left side you can see the Outlook window. I have opened the Sent Item folder to show you the last email that was sent from my system. Notice the subject of this email, it was about Order File Receive History. On the other hand, we want to send this Excel file or Excel sheet as an attachment of an email to as many people as we wish. For this example video, I have prepared an arrangement so that it sends only one email. You may send as many as you wish. While the Excel window is active, if I press Ctrl plus Shift plus M, Excel will send this Excel sheet as email attachment to my desired recipient. As soon as the key combination was pressed, Excel VBA code was executed and email was sent. Notice the Outlook status bar, Outlook is sending the email. This case I have added only one recipient. Please note I had to hide my email address as per this platform guideline and for security purposes. Check out the subject of this new email, it is shown this subject because I have specified it like this. Of course, you can change it as per your requirement. If we open the email attachment to see its content, you will find the same content as the previous Excel file. Hope this will be very helpful for your workflow. I will look forward to hearing from you. Just send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible.